Hello astrology lovers, in this video I will talk on planetary links for being a wealthy, gorgeous actress using Greta Garbo's case. Birth details: birth date 18 September 1905, birth time 19:30 hours rectified to 19:27 39 hours by me, place of birth Lils Jodel, Kalmar, Sweden, time zone -1, latitude and longitude 5714 north, 1558 east, nakshatra Kritika first quarter, Tithi Krishna Paksha Panchami and Ayanmash Khullar Avarli. Birth certificate in hand from Ivan Wilm, July 1986. Same from Roscoe Hope Coates, Jan Gejrod, head activist of Stockholm, Kommun, Tad Sarkivat. Wilm writes that the village of Lils Jodel, Sweden, 1558 East, 5714 North, claims to be her birthplace, but without any record, as her parents moved to Stockholm a month later and recorded the birth in Stockholm. I use Lil's Jodel's latitude and longitude, and because I used a different location, I got time as 19:27:39 as the rectified time instead 19:30 as mentioned in most of the websites. Rising sign is Taurus. Let's begin with the birth time rectification process to see if this time is correct or not. So the first step of birth time rectification, Lagna Sub Lord must link with Moon or vice versa directly or indirectly. Jupiter was taken as Lagna Sub Lord because Jupiter is in the star of Moon. Also, Moon is in the star of Sun, and Jupiter appears to be in the sub of Sun. Moving to second step, that's co-rulers of Lagna, Sun, Moon, Rashi Lord, Star Lord, Sub Lord, and Sub Lords. Star and Sub Lord must appear in 1, 7, and 10. Why 1, 7, and 10? Because when a person takes birth, uh, his another person becomes a father. And the ninth cusp is connected to father. And when stimulation to cusp 2, 5, and 11 happens, a person becomes a parent. 2, 5, and 11 from ninth is 1, 7, and 10. So we will have to see if these planets stimulated 1, 7, and 10 or not. We begin with Sun because Sun is connected to father. We will study the 4 planets of Sun. That's Mercury. Mercury star is Venus, sub is Venus, and sub is Mercury. Venus appears in 1, Mercury appears in 10. So 1 and 10 link gets established. Sun star is Sun. Sun appears in 1. Jupiter is sub. Jupiter appears in 10. Then Jupiter, the sublord of Sun. Jupiter's star is Moon and sub is Jupiter. Moon appears in 7th and Jupiter appears in 1 and 10. Then sublord Moon. Moon's star is Sun and sublord is Moon. Sun appears in 1, Moon appears in 7. Then we move to Moon. Rashi Lord is Mars. Mars star is Mercury and sub is Rahu. Mercury appears in 10 and Rahu. Mercury appears in 10 and Rahu appears in 1 because Rahu represents Sun. Sun has position status, it appears in 1, and Rahu also has position status. Rahu represents Sun, so as Rahu is a shadow planet, wherever Rahu Sun will be positioned, Rahu will also be positioned there. So 1 and 10 link gets established. Sun, we have already studied that because Sun is the star of Sun. Moon also we have studied because it's a sub of Moon, and here also Moon is there, so we will not repeat. Now, cusp one's Rashi Lord Venus. Venus star is Mercury and sub is Jupiter. Mercury appears in 10, Jupiter appears in 1. Then Sun we have already studied here. Jupiter also we have studied, so we will not repeat. So we are done with the second step. Now we will move to the third step. But before that, you can see that how these planets simulated the required cusps to cause the birth to happen. The third step is the moment at which the event happens is controlled by the prana lord. So at the moment of birth, the prana lord should be significator of 10, 1 and 7 houses. At least 2 out of these houses or prana lord itself should appear in these cusps, irrespective of the fact it has the positional status or not. So on the day of her birth, Rahu was prana. Rahu represents sun and Saturn, because Rahu is in the star of Ketu and Ketu represents Saturn, so Rahu will also represent Saturn. Rahu has position status, Sun and Saturn also have position status. Sun appears in 1 and Saturn appears in 10. So Rahu also appears here because Rahu is a shadow planet. So wherever Sun and Saturn will be positioned, Rahu will also be positioned. And because Rahu appears in 1 and 10, it stimulated 1 and 10 cusp, and that's the reason the childbirth happened. Now we will study the fourth step, that's arc. As Lagna is Taurus, a female sign, and person also is a female, arc was set to 32.31 because arc has to be less than 50 because sign is Taurus, so arc was set to 32.31. Now we will study the fifth step, that study of promise of various aspects of life by Lord of various cusps. She was an actress, a wealthy person, and she settled in US. For being an actress, Lagna Subsublord and fifth Subsublord must make link with 10th. Here, Lagna Subsublord is Jupiter, Jupiter star is Moon. Moon appears in 5 and Jupiter appears in 10. So Jupiter makes link with 5th and 10th. Then 5th cusp Subsublord must also make link with 10th. 5th cusp Subsublord is Sun. But here we can also study Mercury, Venus and Rahu because these three planets have position status and they are positioned in 5th cusp. So these three planets are also subsublord of or will also behave like subsublord of 5th cusp. And Mercury, Venus and Sun, all these three planets appear in 10th. Sorry, Mercury, Venus and Rahu. Here Saturn appears, and I just told you that Rahu is a shadow planet. Rahu represents Saturn, so Rahu will also appear here. So these three planets make strong links with 10th. That's the reason she became an actress, because 5th cusp is connected to creativity, and such people desired to do something on their own. She was a wealthy person. For being wealthy, second cusp subsublord must make link with 2, 6, 11. Second cusp subsublord is Venus. It has positional status. Venus appears in 2. Its star Mercury appears in 6. Venus appears in 2 also. So Venus involves 2 and 6. Commitment happening with Jupiter. Jupiter appears in 11th. And final confirmation with Moon. Moon also appears in 11. So 2, 6 and 11 link gets established, and that's the reason she was a wealthy person. She settled in US to settle in another country. For that, Lagna Subsublord, 4th cusp Subsublord and 12th cusp Subsublord must make link with 3, 9 and 12, because Lagna is self, 4th is connected to house and 12th is connected to foreign land. Here Jupiter is in the star of Moon. Moon appears in 12th. Then Jupiter's sublord is Jupiter. Jupiter appears in 9, so Jupiter makes link with 9 and 12. Similarly, Ketu is in the star of Rahu and sublord is Saturn. Rahu and Saturn both appear in 12. Saturn appears in 3 and 9. Rahu also appears in 9. So 4th cusp subsublord makes link with 3, 9 and 12. Similarly, Saturn, that's 12th cusp subsublord, has positional status. It appears in 3, 9 and 12. Its sublord Sun appears in 12 and subsublord Jupiter appears in 9. So Saturn also makes link with 3, 9 and 12, and that's the reason she was able to settle abroad. I hope from this you got some understanding of this person, and I was able to explain to you without talking about any planet's qualities. I appreciate you took time to watch this video, and if you have any questions or queries, then please feel free to connect with me with the information mentioned in the description box. If you found this video useful, then please do subscribe to this channel, because I will make more videos on such topics. These are the books that I studied to make this video, and I wish you have a wonderful day and stay safe.